Why do I think natural hair is nappy and it's unkept and it's not what people want, it's not beautiful? Because you saying my natural hair is ugly, then you saying I'm ugly, and we not cool because you think I'm ugly, and that's rude, so get out my life. Hey guys, it's AKEYACHIC here. Today we're going to talk about how to feel beautiful, confident in your natural hair. I'm not gonna say I was always confident in my hair. I definitely wasn't. There's a lot of times where I just felt downright ugly in my hair. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I felt downright ugly. I wanted to shave my head. I wanted to get a texturizer because I know texturizers aren't as bad as relaxers. I wanted to get rid of these kinks and these curls. And I'm like, it has to be society. Because how could I hate the own hair? But I feel like I have learned throughout my natural hair journey to appreciate my hair. Your hair is beautiful. There's a reason why we're the only people who hair grow out like this. It's a reason. I don't really know the reason why, but yeah, our hair is so versatile. You can have natural hair and get a flat iron and it'll look better than a relaxer. Trust me, if somebody do it right. You can't have just anybody up in your head. But that's another video. I became confident in my natural hair, how I learned to love my natural hair. I'm wearing my natural hair today and unapologetically wearing my natural hair today. I love my hair. Yeah, it's definitely some ups and downs with it, but I can say that I truly love my hair. That's what we're going to talk about today. I want my Let's Talk with Keys or my Key Talks to be a discussion, a conversation starter. So yeah, if you have any thoughts or concerns that you want to put in the comment section below, feel free to do that. Yeah, we just talking today. If you guys enjoy this video, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, check out my other videos, and yeah, let's get right into it. So I guess the first thing that helped me to feel confident and love my hair was to actually figure out the reason why I didn't like my hair. No, there's a reason why I hate the hair that comes from my head. Like, there has to be a reason. Like, is it society telling me to hate my hair, or do I actually really hate my hair? Like, what's up? Like, why do I think natural hair is nappy and it's unkept and it's not what people want, it's not beautiful? And I'm like, it has to be society. Because how could I hate the own hair that comes from my head? Like, it grows from my head. How could I hate that? Like, where's that hatred coming from? You gotta look back into history. People told you that your natural hair, your kinky natural hair is nappy, it's ugly, it's not wanted. People told you that. You gotta learn to love your hair, because society will tell you that it's ugly. It will tell you that it's not supposed to be in the workplace. It will tell you that it's not wanted, but you gotta tell yourself, this is my hair. This is what grows from the root of my head. Like, this is me. You saying that you hate my natural hair is saying that you hate me. So, because you saying my natural hair is ugly, then you saying I'm ugly, and we not cool because you think I'm ugly, and that's rude, so get out my life. This thing is to figure out why you hate your hair. Figure out why you don't feel confident in your hair. Second tip is find styles that complement you better. Now, I know 4C hair is tough because our hair can be really long, but once it get that dab of water, it shrinks up. After my hair has grown more, I can appreciate it in the shrinkage stage, but I know when I was first going natural, I hated my hair in the shrinkage stage. Any type of water will get on it, I would hate it. But now, like, I could appreciate in the shrinkage stage, but I know what helps me a lot is wearing it in the stretch out stage, which is, you know, having your hair braided back and then taking it out after a couple of days and your hair is stretched. I know for me, braids work best if I have like individual braids, or if I have cornrows. That just works for me to stretch out my hair. Twists don't really work out for me as well when I really want my hair to get stretched, but I know twists do work for some people and some hair types. Just not for me when I really want my full stretched out hair. This is not really full stretched out, but this is probably as good as it's gonna get stretched out. So yeah, I know I love my hair in the stretched out stage because requires me to be a little bit more versatile. I can do more styles with my hair stretched out. So yeah, you need to love your hair in the sugar stage. That's even tougher. I appreciate the process. Your hair is gonna grow, and of course, you know, once you get that water on there, it may shrink, but you gotta learn how to keep your hair stretched out. And now you can add jewelry and stuff to your hair, like, you know, if you want to add a little, if you feel like your hair is boring or whatever, add some pizzazz. We got them little gold clamps. You can put that in your hair when your hair is curly, and it'd be really cute. My last reason is just to get glammed up in your hair. I know when people think of getting glam, you know, it's having like the longest curly Brazilian hair with your face beat, but try wearing your fro. And you know, you feeling yourself with your hair, it will make you feel confident. With some little makeup, and I was feeling myself. You know, I recorded a video on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at AKEYACHIC, and I put it on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter at AKEYACHIC as well. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. If you have any thoughts or anything you might want to add that helps you feel confident, or if you're insecure in your hair, don't be afraid to say anything. I'm pretty sure everybody has felt some type of insecurity with their natural hair, so don't be afraid to talk about it. Yeah, I may come back and do another video when I think of some more tips that helps me to feel confident. But yeah, remember, what makes you feel less confident in your hair? What is the reason that makes you not love your hair? So once you figure out that, I promise you, once you release those negativities or those thoughts in your head, those devils in your head, you will love your hair. You will learn, or you'll grow to love your hair. That's what happened with me. So yeah, like I said before, it's been a journey with me loving my hair, but I think I've came to the conclusion that I really truly love my hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you liked it, give your girl a thumbs up. Thumbs up help me get some feedback on my videos. Yeah, and if you feel like this was something really good, make sure you share it to a friend or family member. You know, let them talk about it, let them see, you know, I'm not opposed to criticism or whatever. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.